Hi guys, hola amigos, this is Gala and welcome to my YouTube channel about living in Dominican Republic. Recently I made a video about the cost of living here in Dominican Republic and started with the cost of products, and you can find it here. I decided to tell you a little bit more about the local products and local recipes. So today we are starting with the most popular fruit here. It's called Chinola. And you can find like jugo de Chinola juice here everywhere. So it has a delicious aroma and very healthy juice. And today we are trying to make this juice from Chinola fruits. And if you buy it, it's like very cheap. And I bought 6 of these fruits for like $3. And I'll show you how to make the juice from this fruit and how much juice you can get for $3. Let's start. So guys, to prepare a juice you'll need 6-8 Chinola fruits, water, sweetener, sieve and a blender. First use a sharp knife to cut it in half. Inside you'll find a golden orange juicy center with a jelly-like pulp and crunchy black seeds. Then use a spoon to simply scoop out the flesh and seeds into a blender. Before blending, I add like 3-4 portions of water to 1 portion of pulp. You can also add any sweetener you like. You may prefer to add just a little water and a sweetener at a time. That way you can dilute and sweeten it to your desired level. Blend it for 30-40 seconds. While it's blending, let's see why Chinola juice is so healthy. Chinola or passion fruit, though small, is packed with antioxidants, vitamins C and A that boost your immune system and plant compounds that are beneficial to overall health. Then pour the juice into a fine mesh sieve to strain the seed remnants. The juice is ready. It is a tasty and healthy, refreshing drink and also a good base for a variety of cocktails. Thank you for watching, guys. If you like my channel, please subscribe, like this video and leave your questions about life in Dominican Republic below. Have a good day and see you soon, guys.